currently alone here. Actually, I stayed here in Parañaque with Kendra and Mira. And thank you for the accommodation, guys. Kasi I wasn't really expecting that you're gonna offer your home for me. So I was really looking for anyone or someone who can accommodate me for long 3 days. Like I've been here for last Mondays, May 15 up until now. And tomorrow will be my flight, and I can't really explain what I really feel. I actually don't feel anything right now. But before, I just feel that parang natatakot ako at the same time, but it's just very exciting. Like, it's just, parang nasa exciting part na tayo. But then, if you are about to go pala, you're gonna feel it the same way. Like, parang you feel that, parang there's a need for you to go. Or maybe there's the feeling of, self-fulfillment. Kasi sobrang tagal mong pinrocess yung papers mo and finally you're here, di ba? Parang ganun. So actually, I'm just having my breakfast right now. So naiwan ako dito kasi they are working right now. So, yan. Hindi ko alam. I just want to share some thoughts with you. So, it's been, I've applied for this company last year, April 1. And I wasn't really expecting that they're gonna contact me immediately about my application. And that was really good. Pero alam mo yung struggle ko all this time, kasi I was discriminated being a woman during my training days. And parang, alam mo yung all the hard work or sacrifices that I had before, parang bumubunga na siya ngayon. Magbubunga na siya ngayon, eventually. So sabi nga nila, everything takes time. So, totoo yung sinasabi nila, don't rush things, just wait for the perfect timing. Kasi unang-una, hindi natin makokontrol ang mga nangyayari. You know what? Before, I was really frustrated. I'm really frustrated kasi, alam mo yung feeling na, hindi ko alam pero parang during my application period, I was really losing hopes that I could make it. Hindi ko alam. But then, fate really makes this its own way talaga. Sabi nga nila, ikaw ang gumagawa ng tadhana mo. So, it's up to you. It's about your decisions. Kung eventually you're gonna be successful in your own way or you're gonna, hindi ko alam. Pero one thing I've realized this time is that you have the life or you have a life to live. Parang it's up to you how we're going to deal with everything. So, things might get rough at some point, pero it's okay, right? May mga bagay talaga na ganun siguro. So, yan. Ito na naman tayo. I just really hate being alone. Kasi, ito napapaisip talaga ako. What are the things that I need to do? Like, is this really for me? You're gonna ask yourself, right? Pero sabi nga nila, yan. Bahala na. So, I know that this might be a bumpy road ahead. Because, it's not about, hindi lang dito nagtatapos yung challenges eh. So in the future, there are a lot of things that you can experience. But then as long as you're willing to learn and grow from it, it's okay. Ayan na! So, I brought with me the 4 envelopes that I left. So, I'm thinking if I'm still going to give mom and dad a letter. Actually, mom will the one who we're going to read it. So, iniisip ko kung gagawa pa ako. I still got another stationer here. Actually, I got 6 pieces of this bago ako malis sa Bicol. So, pag-iisipan ko kung bibigyan ko sila or not kasi wala na akong envelope. And I don't know. So, let's see if sinipagan ako. Ganito pala feeling pag housemate ka ni kuya. So, hindi ako lumalabas. Kasi wala akong kasama. And baka later lumabas ako pag na-receive ko ng message niya na Mira. Ayan. Mababaliw na ako dito, guys. Wala akong kausap. But then, mom and dad called already and they are about to travel going to Manila from Bicol. And kasi nasa kanila yung maleta ko eh. So, I already fixed my things. So, if you're gonna check some of my vlogs, nandun yun. Packing packing my things for my first international flight. Panoorin nyo rin. Ayan. So, bago ako umalis dito, going here in Manila, I fixed my things. Lahat ng mga kailangan ko during, para hindi ko na bitbitin kasi it's very hassle on my part. If I'm gonna have a commute, I'm gonna ride a bus with my 2 luggages. And it's really terrible, I guess. So, imagine mo, naka-backpack lang ako last time. But then, it's really terrible talaga. Kasi I really had a hard time booking the Angkas because it's a rush hour. Because I spent almost 5 hours and during the dispatch. Because even though I got the appointment around 12:40 p.m., but then they're not following the time, so yan, haggard na si ate during that time. Haggard na si ate niyo, be. Anyway, I'm just gonna charge my phone and I'm gonna let my hands dry this time. So, ayan. Hi guys, so ayan, paalis na ako kasi papunta ako kay na Kendra sa school nila. Invite nila ako. Oh my God, nahiya ako, B. Anyway, punta tayo since it's our last day on here in the Philippines. Wow, char. So, labas na tayo and dito tayo daan. So, tinagal ko na yung mga saksakan and tumawag sila. So, let's go na. Balik tayo kasi umuulan. Kuha tayo ng payong kasi umuulan. So, yan, nakuha ko na payong. Balik naman tayo sa baba.
Since this is my first time, I was shocked with the loud noise. I was amazed how pretty it is to see the city lights above. How I wish that I have my family with me right now to see how beautiful it is. Looking at this window made me in teary eyes because I have prayed for this for a long time.